drive by a few homes that are under construction, and every day this
one
week.
of them's mine. Yeah,
Well, I feel so bad for these guys who are up on ladders in the wind, and it's freezing.
Yeah, it's tough. It's interesting you say this because we're finishing siding at my house, and they have me, and I just said wait till Friday because it's just really.
That's going to be tough putting up siding when it's this windy.
Usually you're doing that by hand, like you're usually not using a nail gun for it. Usually,
you're actually
literally, but you also know you don't want to go the whole winter. It's tough. Yeah, any kind of outdoor work or just being outdoors today was tough. The wind chill's really cold, which I'll show you in a second. Snow showers. I was checking different web cameras throughout the day today, and there was a lot of snow flying around because the wind was kicking it around, but there wasn't a whole lot of accumulation according to my weather watchers in quite a few spots. There's Augusta seeing some snow showers right now. They've been falling apart as they've been going down to the south. Wind gusts started to slacken a bit here, 25 to 30 miles an hour in most spots, but look at Millinocket. Greenville and Millinocket traditionally do have higher wind gusts in general, but 40 miles an hour out of the west right now, which means that it feels like 4 below in Millinocket, 16 below in Greenville, and 18 below in Rangeley. We've talked about how the snow looks pretty good for skiing. I've been just flitting around different web cameras because I want to get out skiing, but it's been windy, it's been really cold. We'll get probably a day and then into the weekend that looks okay. Friday into the weekend looks a little bit warmer. Until then, it's breezy, it's cold. There'll be snow showers tonight, so don't be shocked if you wake up to a quick dusting of snow in a few locations. Tomorrow morning, the snow showers could get all the way to the southern coastline. Tomorrow is warmer than today by a few degrees. I'm not sure it'll feel a whole lot warmer, though. It's still breezy. Still a lot of cloud cover around. And then we take a little bit of a timeout on Friday, which I think will feel like a really nice day, even though it's kind of just a normal day. Temperatures between 32 and 35 degrees. A lot of sunshine, not so much wind, though. So I think Friday's the best day of the work week, easily. But then again, the bar, quite low there. We talked about, I jumped ahead. Oh, it was such a smooth transition it was going to be. Here's some snow amounts for the snow showers. Don't take this verbatim. I don't think Augusta will get 3 inches, but just be aware we could see a coating to 1 inch of snow. Higher terrain could see 2 or 3 inches of snow. Okay, I'll try it again. So we talked about a storm earlier in the week that the GFS had put a blizzard right over us. And I was kind of bearish on the storm. I felt it was more likely than not it would miss us. The European model kept it to our south. The GFS now, boop, twinsies, doing the same thing now, keeping it to our south. So it will miss us. It's that old, it's like a weenie thing, but you don't want a stalled out low to your north and east if you want a snowstorm. There's probably very complex reasons for that, but it doesn't matter. It just doesn't work. I think it's because it kind of slingshots the other storms to your south. So I think we'll go another 7 days with chances of snow showers and maybe a period of light snow on Saturday, but nothing major here. And that will take us through mid-January, which, by the way, I looked it up because I was curious. The 1st through the 7th of January, how cold was it? Where does it rank? And it was like 35th warmest out of 85. So we might just be soft.
Which, as we're shivering, does not feel
accurate.
I mean,
but it doesn't take the wind into account, to be fair, but it is amazing. I expected it to at least be in the middle.
Yeah.
Wasn't even there,
Way
though.
down there.
Yeah.
Okay. Keith, thank you.